Hey guys, I'm excited to talk to you today about the release date of the iPhone 15. There have been a lot of rumors out there, but I'm going to try to clear things up for you. One of the most significant rumored changes to the iPhone 15 is the design. The iPhone 15 is rumored to have a new design with a pill-shaped cutout for the front-facing camera and Face ID sensors, and a smaller notch for the earpiece. This design is similar to what is currently found on the iPad Pro. The smaller notch is expected to free up more space for the display, while the pill-shaped cutout is rumored to house the Face ID sensors and a new ambient light sensor. Processor. The iPhone 15 is also rumored to be powered by the new A16 Bionic chip, which is expected to be a significant upgrade over the A15 Bionic chip in the iPhone 14. The A16 Bionic chip is rumored to be manufactured on a 3nm process, which will offer improved performance and efficiency. Camera. The iPhone 15 is also rumored to have a major upgrade to its camera system. The iPhone 15 is rumored to have a new 48-megapixel rear camera with improved low-light performance. The 48-megapixel sensor is expected to allow the iPhone 15 to capture more detail in low-light conditions, and it is also rumored to be able to record 8K video. The iPhone 15 is also rumored to have a new cinematic mode for video recording that automatically changes focus between subjects. This mode is similar to the portrait mode for photos, but it works for video. Cinematic mode is expected to be a major improvement for video recording on the iPhone. Other features. In addition to the design, processor, and camera changes, the iPhone 15 is also rumored to have a number of other new features. The iPhone 15 is rumored to have a new periscope telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. This lens is expected to offer significantly better zoom capabilities than the current telephoto lens on the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max. The iPhone 15 is also rumored to have a new always-on display that can show information even when the phone is locked. This feature is already available on some Android phones, and it is expected to be a welcome addition to the iPhone. The iPhone 15 is also expected to come with the new version of iOS 16, which is rumored to have a number of new features and improvements. Some of the rumored new features for iOS 16 include a redesigned lock screen, new widgets, and improved multitasking features. Conclusion. So there you have it. Those are just some of the most significant rumored features of the iPhone 15. It is still too early to say for sure what the final product will look like or what features it will have. However, these rumors give us a good idea of what to expect from the next generation of Apple's flagship smartphone. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel for more tech news and updates.